Hey guys, saturation is one of the key things that you need to be able to incorporate in your mixes. And today I'll show you a great saturation plugin by Plugin Alliance. Let's listen to what we have first. First, we're going to set our bias to 6 and we'll set our peak to 2, resonance to 2.5K. We'll set it to stimulus 3 and we'll set our mix to around 40% and we'll set our resonance to A and keep our boost to 1. And we're ready to listen to it. Here is before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.